One is around technical and cognitive competence. I think we often just assume because people went to certain medical schools and have certain degrees and have practiced for a certain number of years that they're technically and cognitively competent. And we know from studying other high reliability organizations, they believe that as well, but they also prove their operators, or they have their operators prove that to them. So the story I always tell there is, Sully Sullenberger, after landing the plane on the Hudson, gets to have the privilege of going back into a simulator some months later to prove that he can actually fly under stressful conditions. That's just the way that those organizations work. And I think sooner or later we'll be putting that level of competency evaluation on our physicians and nurses in a way that we're not doing now. The second one, I think, is around patient and family-centered care, and in particular really figuring out better how to engage the patient and the family as being part of the care team and part of the safe, reliable delivery of care. And this will become more and more important as care moves out of the hospital environment, which is where a lot of our focus is right now, to the ambulatory arena. So it's really three things. It's really this notion of looking at technical and cognitive competence in a new way. It's engaging the patient and the family in fundamentally different ways than they are now, and recognizing that the care that we're giving, which is now so hospital-centric, is going to be in the ambulatory environment, often in the patient's home or where they work. And we're going to have to think differently about what that looks like as well.